Hello world, my name is Avimanyu Pandey and this is my final project, this stock analyzer for CS50 Python. The project works in two modes. First, we have the single stock mode, and as the name suggests, we can only get data and information about a single stock from this mode. So let's say that I want to get information about Apple. So I have to enter Apple's valid ticker symbol, and for this it will initialize and get me a table of metrics for Apple. Apart from this, I can also see the price curve for Apple. The by default the period is 1 year, but we can have any time period of our choosing by toggling the dates from date input and then again seeing the price. We can again to re again plot the curve as you can see from 2021 to 2025. But what if somebody tries to give it wrong input, right? So A, B, C, D, and we have an invalid ticker. Next, for the multi-stock mode, the multi-stock mode expects a list of tickers separated by commas. So we will do this and then wait and then initialize it. It will take a bit more time as compared to the single stock mode since we are initializing for 10 stocks now. So for every stock, it will take data from Y Finance, and then now for comparisons, we have again our old price line curve and the scatter plot. The scatter plot will have us choosing from a list of metrics that we already saw in single stock mode, and the and based on that choice, we can gauge investing fitness. So if we do that, it will do this again. Select this. Yes. So it will replot this curve to give me ROE versus price curve with ROE on the y-axis. So we can see this. That is, and we can have any number of, and we can have any one over here. We can have annual dividend versus ROE, or any kind of scatter plot which helps us analyze the data a bit better. So as we can see, this a scatter plot. Now after that we have the price line curve. Price line curve will also take some time to plot because we're initializing the data, and we have that, and we have this one now. What if somebody tries to be a bit more adversarial and does ROFL, and as you can see, the fake tickers were not reflected in the final result. So this was my project for CS50 Python, and thank you for watching.